हारती देवा हारती.
With love in our heart, with joy in our life, we welcome you today. With smile on your face, with love in our heart, with joy in our life, we welcome you today. We are glad you are here. We are glad you have come. We
Now, moving towards the group leaders. May I request our group leaders to come on to the stage.
Accept me as your court leader. Yes, we promise to cooperate to participate to the best of your abilities in the activities of the school through spirit of sportsmanship. In the hope of cooperation and loyalty, I promise the school a happy responsibility of being your.
I have also the pleasure of requesting our Reverend Sister Saravya to hand out the
తప్పించుకున్నారా?
I request all the students to be seated. I request all the teachers to be seated as well.
Good morning, dear students. Reverend Sister Jayaprada, the principal, and all the sister teachers, beloved teachers, staff, and my dear students. It's a great joy and honor for me to be here today. We have the twin celebration. First and foremost, you are having the Institute Day and the investiture ceremony. I felt so glad seeing you all colorfully marching and taking up the responsibility. As I saw this, I remember a little story. I like stories to explain what I want to convey. Once upon a time, in a jungle, there were so many birds. Among them were a group of eagles. Do you know which bird can fly in the midst of storms? Do you know which bird can fly amid storms? Eagles. Okay? All the other birds, when it rains, goes inside or sit under a tree. But the eagle, when there is heavy storm and rain, fly against the storm. That is the courage of eagles. So, in the forest, this group of eagles were taking a big decision that who will be the next leader. And there was an eagle named Iris. She was so happy to see the elderly leaders leading the group. So she hoped, what if I could become a leader? And then one of the leader eagles came and told Iris, the one who is going to be the leader should have some qualities of a leader. That of, he should be courageous or should be compassionate and should be able to lead the group. And Iris thought for a while, went around, how could I show my capacity as a leader? And as she was walking around, she saw a small pond without water. And so she wanted to know why this pond was without water. In the forest, all the birds used to drink from this pond. But now the pond is without water. So Iris went to the source of the water and found that the water source was blocked because of some leaves and twigs from the tree. So slowly she started to remove one leaf by one and one branch by another, and then to her surprise the water started to flow and the pond became again full of water. All the animals were very happy, including the small little birds, tortoises. Everyone came and thanked Iris for this great action. And meanwhile, the leader of the forest, the eagle, came to Iris and said, what did you do to prove that you are a leader? So she explained what she did. And the leader said, yes, you have compassion for your subjects and you have the courage to explore possibilities. So you are appointed as the leader or captain of the forest. Can we give a clap for Iris? Vice captains and group leaders all are here. It's not just today, this investiture ceremony is not just giving you the sash and the flag. but it is giving you a lot of responsibilities. You are to have the qualities of compassion, leadership, and care for those who are entrusted to you. In a school, being the SPL or ASPL and group leaders, captain, vice captain, this holds a lot of responsibilities. And I also told the eagle is the only bird who fly against the storm. So you leaders have to sometimes fly against the storm. When I say fly against the storm, what do I mean? That you sometimes will have difficulties. Today, when you ask, do you accept me as your leader? They said, yes, I do. But tomorrow, when you go and tell them, do this, do that, they are not going to obey you like that. So that will be your storms. So you should be like an eagle flying against the storm, but with full of compassion. These days, if you just command, I tell you to do, nobody is going to obey you. If you do that with love and compassion, you will be great leaders. And your school should be one of the best in this locality. Will you do that?
Yes, sister.
It's in your hand. This is English medium school. The first and foremost thing that you leaders have to emphasize in this school is speaking in English. Do you understand that?
Yes, sister.
I understand.
Yes. So today we are also celebrating the institution day. Your school is named after Saint Dan. And tomorrow we are celebrating the feast of Saint Dan. And that's why you have today the institution day. What is she standing for? Her values. First and foremost, she had trust in herself and in God. So a leader should have trust in oneself and trust in God and trust in all those who are under your care. And then the next is she was a good teacher. She taught Mother Mary with love. So you also will be good leaders if you are able to teach values to who are under you. And then she was very generous. She was a rich woman, and then she gave all of her property to the poor, to the temple. One portion she kept for herself. So looking at Saint Dan, you also should be generous. You may not have the wealth to distribute, but you have your talents, and that is what you will be sharing with your friends. Okay, and I also congratulate all the teachers for all the efforts that you have taken to bring this school to this stage, and for very specially for all what you have arranged. I know it is not easy to do all this, for all the trouble that you have taken, and for being good eagles with lot of compassion looking after these students. I also appreciate our special children. They are very special, and you saw how beautifully they played. Can we also give them big applause? I also congratulate all those who performed here, prayer dance, the MCs, and all the others, also the teachers who trained them for this. A great applause to principal and all the sisters and the staff. Can we give them big applause? And for all of you, I found you are so disciplined. In spite of the rain, you are very patiently sitting here. So for all of you, claps for yourself. So thanks one and all. Wish you all good day and be good leaders of this Saint Dan school. Its name should go to the ends of the earth tomorrow. Once again, congratulations to all of you.
And all my dear friends, I stand before you to share my experience as SPL of our school. Being the SPL of our school has been an outstanding exposure for me since the first day. Facing problems and solving them and looking after the students was my primary duty. If I have failed in my leadership or hadn't been outstanding, I felt that I have learned so much from this experience for my life. The most important of all, being a SPL, I had a rich experience of love, compassion and cooperation for all my student friends. Besides me, my other leaders are my biggest supporters. I felt fortunate to have relationships that always have my back in times of need and people who seek my support in their times of need. I aspire to be a more capable leader who does not allow others to follow but walks abreast with their fellows and guide the path. These are just my some experiences in my past early days as a SPL. They are certainly the most important ones. What drives me forward is the spirit and hope to become a better leader and fulfill my own leadership skills in all my future responsibilities. I had a lot of encouragement from all my administrators, class teachers and subject teachers throughout my leadership. I felt proud many times when I completed the task entrusted to me. It's all because my school was behind me to uplift me as SPL to fulfill my duties. When I failed also, they encouraged me not to be disheartened but to take courage and do better tomorrow. I can say I am a refined leader because of my school, my teachers and my friends. I thank everyone who helped me to be what I am today. Once again, thank you everyone. Thank you very much.